What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the video. Thank you for clicking on it. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day. I have an exciting video today. I have an unboxing or an unpackaging. So I ordered something, so it's not really a surprise that I got it, but I figured I would share this beautiful item with you guys because I kind of wanted to make like an official video for it so that you guys and so that I were like on the same page and you knew where I wanted to go, and kind of like an announcement kind of thing. But let's just open it, you know what I'm saying? So I got an Elgato, you know what I'm saying? That authentic Elgato. And you know what that means, boys? That means that we get to play with knives. No, that means that we get to start streaming, you know what I'm saying? I've been wanting to do this for a while. Stream like properly, not using the like built-in capture card on the Xbox to stream. Like I wanted to stream directly to YouTube. And so now I can do that. The quality of my videos that I make for YouTube will be better, because I'm pretty sure the Elgato stream records up to 1080, where the Xbox I think is 640 or 720 or something like that. So the quality of the videos should be improving, and I'll be able to stream directly to YouTube, which is what I wanted. I didn't want to go try and manage multiple sources, meaning like Twitch and YouTube and all that kind of stuff. I just wanted one platform, wanted to build a community or a following on one platform, and so now I can achieve that. So my question to you guys, I do plan on streaming very, very soon. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow or maybe the next day or maybe just Monday. I'll start off the week fresh doing it. But that depends on the response that I get from you guys. With the new sandbox changes and the new meta and well, I guess we haven't figured out the meta yet. Actually, we have. The meta is Titan. And I don't have a Titan. I have 3 hunters. And if you watch the videos, you guys know that. Should I stream like maybe like a 24-hour type challenge thing where I power level a Titan and get them ready for Forsaken, so that I'll have 2 hunters and a Titan? Should I do that? Or would you guys rather just see like PvP streaming? Because there are some things that I want to also grind for, like the Huckleberry Catalyst. I want to grind for that. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys want to see, I guess, in the stream. What I'm leaning towards is doing like a really long stream, starting off like my first stream, really long, power leveling a Titan. But if you guys, like if majority of you guys want to see something else or don't really care for that, because honestly, I'm okay with 3 hunters. I don't see the need to have other characters, but I guess it would be cool to be able to one-hit shoulder charge people. But yeah, so I got the capture card now. That is sick. I've been wanting this and talking about getting it. Woo! It's so fresh. Look at it. It's got its own little pocket. Dude, it's so nice. I'll probably set all this up and figure out how to use all of it either tomorrow morning or tonight, because it is getting kind of late, and it's Friday. But yeah. So let me know. Comment down below, please. I would like to know what you guys want to see. And if you're excited, subscribe, because I definitely have a lot of good stuff coming to the channel in the future, for sure. It's actually really, really exciting. I'm really stoked to see where we go. But thank you for watching. I enjoy you. I enjoy you clicking, making it to the end. And I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Take care.